ClickUp Project Manager tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use ClickUp. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, ClickUp is an amazing tool that me and my team have used previously and are still using it to this day. It's one of the best tools out there if you want to organize your team, assign tasks, and get an update on what your team is doing. It's absolutely amazing. It is free to use, however, there is a pricing plan. So let me just go over that real quick. So over here, as you can see, this is the pricing plan. So there are one, two, three, four pricing plans. There's the free one, the unlimited, the business, and the enterprise. If you want the enterprise, then you have a really big team and you want to contact ClickUp and they'll give you a price for your team and you can negotiate with them. But other than that, you have your unlimited and business. Unlimited is $7 per member per month. So if you have 10 members, that's $70 per month. And if you choose with the business, you have $12 per month. And if you have 10 members, that's $120 per month. So keep that in mind. Whereas if you go with the free one, of course, it's free, but you only get 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, and all of the good stuff. But if you go with the unlimited in business, you get AI compatibility, reporting, agile reporting, form views, goals and portfolios, native time tracking. You get all of these stuff, but also unlimited Gantt charts, unlimited custom fields, guests with permission, unlimited dashboards, unlimited integrations, and unlimited storage as well. And over here, you have your business one. It has a bunch of cool stuff, including the previous two plans features. And on top of that, you have custom exporting, unlimited teams, advanced publishing, and all of the good stuff. You also get timesheets as well, which is pretty cool. But anyway, we're going to be sticking with the free one and we'll click on free forever and sign up. Now, I'm going to be using a temporary email address right here and click on next. And once you sign up, they'll send you a confirmation code right over here. And then you have your verification code. You can just simply verify it 9339 and you are good to go. After that, you would need to set up. So I'm going to use it for work. Over here, I have 1 to 10 members. It's just going to be me for now. And what type of solutions would you like to start with? Well, for now, operations in general. How would you hear about us? I heard about it from others. Of course, you can skip all this process, but yeah, I use all of these, so I'm just selecting them, but you don't have to. And there you are. You are now good to go. All right, so this is going to be your workspace or your dashboard, whatever you want to call it, right? And now there are a couple of things that you can do. This is the simplest view. This is the list view. This is the boards view. There's also the calendar, the Gantt, and the table. The most popular and the most easy to understand for me, my personal self, is the board view. All right. So you have your boards over here, you have your projects, and then you can move them accordingly. So let me just set this up. I'm going to rename all of these so that you guys can understand what I mean. Now, let me also show you what this is. So this is the entire team space, right? In this team space, you will have folders or projects, right? Within those folders, you will have projects, and within those projects, you will have more projects. So, for example, let's say this is my entire workspace, and I have multiple different teams working with me. So, let's say we have podcast editors, right? We have podcast production, we have YouTube production, we have media production in general, music videos, whatever we want to call it, right? So, within them, I will create these folders. So, this is the team space. All right. In this one, I have this folder right here, which has projects over here. So we'll change this one. Click on these three dots right here and click on name. And instead of projects, we'll say this is YouTube production. And within this YouTube production, we have multiple different channels. So we'll just say this is channel A. The project one is going to be channel A or channel B, channel A. And this one is going to be channel B, right? There we go. So now what we need to do is we need to create another folder. We'll click on these three buttons and there should be option create new. Here we go. And we want to create another folder and we want to name this folder podcast and we want to click on create folder. This is how you create a folder as well. So now we have two different folders. Within them, we have two different channels, right? It is YouTube channel number 1, YouTube channel number 2. So what I want to do is I want to have both of these similar to each other. So that's why I'm going to rename this. And I just renamed this to topics. What I want to do is I want to change this status in progress to recording or editing or script writing. We'll say recording. All right. Click on done. And this will ask me whether we want to change this topic or this list for channel A, for this folder or the entire folder, or for this list only. Since this entire folder is for YouTube and all of the channels that I'm working on are similar, I want to have the same list for all of them. So that's why I'm going to select the entire folder. If you want it to be separate, you can choose this list only. I'm going to choose this folder only and click on save. Now it's recording over here on channel A. It's going to be recording over here on channel B as well. Same with over here. We'll change it to editing or editing. Again, this entire folder, and we want to add another status, and we will go with this one, orange, actually red, and we want to go with quality control or quality check or QC. We'll go with QC over here. This will allow me to see whether or not this video is good, there are mistakes in this video or not. So we want to have put QC. Why can't I move this? I want to move the entire column. But anyway, now we want to have a final check mark, which is going to be completed or uploaded. Completed. There we go. This folder only. All right, here we go. Like this. All right. So topics, recordings, right? We have editing, we have the quality check, and then we have the completed. So over here, you will have different tasks. You can go ahead and add more tasks if you want to. You can just simply click over here and add tasks, right? Now, since this is a task right here, what I want to do is I want to add this tasks. It's going to open up and here we go. So this is the task. We want to add a description. All right. We have the details over here. Add subtasks if you want to. You can add actions as well. So we have this one right here. Let's say we want to edit this, or where is the option? We want to add, write a video or create a video or record a video on ClickUp. This is the tasks, right? I wanted to change the name as well. For some reason I couldn't. Let me actually close it and see if I can. Let me come over here, click over here, rename it to, here we go. Yep. How to use ClickUp. Like so. That's our task. And we want to, oh, it is now completed actually. Never mind. Undo. Sorry about that. How to use ClickUp. What we want to do is we want to click over here and click over here. And over here, we want to assign it to, let's say, someone who is assigned to this task. If you have a team, you can add them, all of your team over here, and you can select whichever one you want to assign it to. You can even add a date that I want this to be done by today at, yeah, today. And then you can just simply go ahead and add a description or links to other videos or whatever you want to do so that you can have it. You can also write comments and tag the person that you have assigned to this task so that they can know that it is for today. And as you can see, it is priority. So once they're done, they can move this task to, let's say, recording. They're recording it, and now it's in editing, and it's editing. Now it's QC check, and then it's completed, and there you go. Boom, it's now complete. So this is how I do it with my team. This is how we work together using these types of boards. Same with the project production as well. We do boards. Boards are easy to use, but you can use any other one. You can go with the list. You can find list. You can have your list over here for one. Let's say you have this podcast production over here. This is the podcast being edited. This is the task one, task two, task three. People are using these tasks. This person is creating this task. This person is doing this. And that is how you can set up your entire team. You can go with the calendar view as well. You can view it. Okay, so today I have this one. This is the priority. This is this one. You can set up all of your needs according to yours, desires according to your needs. There are also other template section as well. Let me show you. There are also other templates that you can use. Let me just show you. For example, if we come over here, you view all spaces over here. Of course, you have your spaces. Where is the template section? Let me see. If you click over here, here we go. So if you go into a, let's say, channel or workspace, you click on the view plus button over here, you will have a tire view. So you can see you have your maps, activity, workload, mind map, table, team, timeline, Gantt, calendar as well, and whiteboard as well. So you can work around with it however you feel like it. It's actually very simple. So in my opinion, ClickUp, it's very, very good. There are others like it, such as Trello as well. And we also use Trello as well. But yeah, it depends on you what you want to do and what you want to use. But It's actually really simple to use once you get into it. It does look a little bit intimidating at first because there are a lot of elements, but once you get to know it, it's actually very sweet. But yeah, so this is how you do it. This is how you use ClickUp. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.